Velociraptors were small, carnivorous dinosaurs that lived during the late Cretaceous period, about 75 to 71 million years ago. They were closely related to birds and are considered to be among the most intelligent dinosaurs. Despite their fearsome reputation, Velociraptors were only about the size of a turkey, standing about 2 to 3 feet tall at the hip and weighing about 15 to 20 pounds. Velociraptors are known for their large, sickle-shaped claws on their hind feet, which they likely used to kill their prey. In addition to their sharp claws and teeth, Velociraptors may also have had a deadly weapon in the form of a retractable second toe on each foot. This toe was equipped with a large, sharp claw that the dinosaur could use to slash and stab its prey. Despite their small size, Velociraptors were incredibly agile and would have been able to move quickly to catch their prey. They had long, powerful legs and a flexible tail that would have helped them balance while running and jumping. In addition to their physical abilities, Velociraptors were also thought to be among the most intelligent dinosaurs. They had large brains relative to their size, which would have given them advanced problem-solving skills and the ability to learn and adapt. In popular culture, Velociraptors are often depicted as larger, more intelligent, and more vicious than they actually were. In reality, Velociraptors were much smaller and less intelligent than they are often portrayed in movies and books. The most famous Velociraptor fossil is the Fighting Dinosaurs fossil, which shows a Velociraptor locked in combat with a Protoceratops. The fossil provides evidence that Velociraptors may have been social animals that lived and hunted in groups. Velociraptors are only known from a few fossil specimens found in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia. The first fossil of a Velociraptor was discovered in the 1920s by the famous paleontologist Roy Chapman Andrews. The name Velociraptor means swift thief, in Latin, referring to the dinosaur's speed and agility. Despite their small size, Velociraptors were formidable predators and would have been a force to be reckoned with in the prehistoric world. Despite their fearsome reputation, Velociraptors ultimately went extinct long ago, along with the other non-avian dinosaurs at the end of the Cretaceous period. They were unable to adapt to the changing climate and the other environmental changes of the time. Today, Velociraptors are known only from a fossil record, providing a glimpse into the fascinating world of the late Cretaceous period. In conclusion, Velociraptors were small, carnivorous dinosaurs that lived during the late Cretaceous period. Despite their fearsome reputation, they were only about the size of a turkey and were likely not as intelligent or as vicious as they are often depicted in popular culture. Velociraptors were closely related to birds and had feathers, which may have been used for display or to help keep the dinosaur warm. They are only known from a few fossil specimens found in the Gobi Desert of Mongolia. Ultimately, Velociraptors went extinct along with the other non-avian dinosaurs at the end of the Cretaceous period. Today, they are known only from the fossil record, providing a glimpse into the fascinating world of the late Cretaceous period.